Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove ads in Temple Run 2. To remove ads in Temple Run 2, first of all, open up the Temple Run 2 application and from the home screen, tap on the No Ads button on the left inside menu. You can get rid of ads in a small one-time fee. Sometimes you might also have the free options available while removing ads. If you see these options, simply tap on Free and this will help you remove ads for free on Temple Run 2. You can also spend a small amount, for example $1.99, in order to remove ads from your game. Tap on one of these options and follow through the on-screen instruction in order to remove ads from your game. And that's how you remove ads in Temple Run 2. You can then go ad-free and enjoy a smoother experience while running throughout the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.